Hello, my name is Nixon and this video is produced by TotalComputerGeek.com. Welcome to episode number 1. In this episode I'm going to show you how to check if someone has infected your computer with a keylogger or with a trojan that's stealing the information from your computer and sending it to the hacker. So basically I'm going to call this video Hack the Hacker or Track the Hacker. Sounds funny. So alright, so to give you an overlook, what we're going to do is I'm on attacker's computer right now, so I'm going to create a keylogger and I'm going to send it to my victim, and then I'll go to the victim computer. I'll show you how it works, and I'll show you how to understand where exactly is the information getting sent from your computer, and along with the information you will get the username and the password which is getting used by the hacker. So you don't only come to know that where your information is getting sent, but at the same time you get the login information, so you can log into the same account that a hacker does. So it's pretty much possible that apart from you there are many other guys who are infected with the same virus. So you get many other information at the same time. You come to know who is the actual hacker for the keylogger. So that's what it's all about. So to start with, here is the keylogger that I'm going to use. The link to this keylogger is there in the description of the video. So I'm going to extract it to the desktop right now. Okay, let me install it. Alright, so it's installed now, and I'll need to activate it. So in the same file you're gonna get the activation information as well, so you don't really need to look for the crack around. Meanwhile I'm registering this product. The basic idea to create this video is because these days there are a lot of people who actually try to understand how does hacking work. So in term to learn the hacking, they download different things from the internet which actually infects their own computer, and it's pretty much possible that you think that you're learning something, but at the same time someone is stealing your information, which may be your bank account, maybe your PayPal, or let's say your credit card. So okay, it looks like I've activated this program, so I'm gonna restart it. Alright, so it's working right now in here. So how it works is when someone is creating a keylogger, he first of all he decides whatever information he wants to receive from your computer. That's the victim's computer. Maybe the login information, at the same time some screenshots, or let's say the different kind of things. So here I'm gonna create my keylogger right now, so let's have a look. Alright, so I'm going to pretty much leave it the way it is right now, because I've created another video before which shows you how to use this specific keylogger, but we are not looking at the keylogger's point of view. What we're looking at is what do you do when you're a victim. So I'm going to create this keylogger right now. Give me 1 second. Alright, so now it's asking me how often do I want to receive the information from the victim's computer. So I'm gonna put it to 3 minutes because I don't want to waste much time waiting while I'm creating the video. And I'm gonna receive the logs. There are 3 options: email, FTP, and the network. So most of the people don't use network because you don't really are connected to your victim's computer which is around you. So most of the people use FTP, and very few of them uses email. So I'm going to use FTP right now. FTP is a type of it's basically file transfer protocol which helps you to upload the files to your server. So that's it. If you want more information about it, you can probably go to Wikipedia and ask for it. Alright, so I've created a test account on a free hosting website called T35.com. So I have my FTP information in here, so you can probably go to the same website and get yours. Alright, So there I go with my username and the password. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm working with the keylogger right now, I'm actually gonna log into my FTP account to show you that it's totally blank as of now. So let me log in. Okay, so it looks like it is connected now. Okay, now, so if you look on this side, this right hand side, you will notice that it's pretty empty. So there's nothing in there right now because it's a fresh account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test my keylogger to make sure that all the information are put in the way they're supposed to. So I'm going to click on test. Let's wait. Alright, it says the test of the delivery has been completed successfully. So that means all the information are put in the way they're supposed to. And so let's go back to our FTP account and refresh it to check if it's really in here. So I refreshed it and you see that there is a test folder. So that means the information are perfect. So I'm gonna close it down. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to click on next, all the options. I don't really want a screenshot, so next. Alright, and it's going to be deployed in a folder called POL, which is inside my program files. And the name of this keylogger would be, let me change it to totalcomputergeek.exe. Alright, so it looks like we're pretty much done from the attacker's part. So we have our keylogger. Now the only thing that we're looking for is to send this keylogger to someone from an attacker's point of view to steal that information. Now how you transfer this file to your victim, that really depends on you. There are probably thousands of ways. So I'm gonna send it to one of my victims right now, and we'll see what